The two-year business marketing program is a really exciting program. We have everything from event planning and fundraising to retail management. We have a course on professional selling, as well as a course where they build a social media and digital strategy plan. The really great part about our program is that on almost every one of our classes, students are partnered up with industry professionals where they work on experiential projects, and it gives them real-time experience that they can take with them. They can build their resume before they even leave the college and head off on their own. One of the things that is also amazing is that there's so many different career options for our graduates. Whether they want to head off and open their own business, whether they'd like to work in a communications capacity, fundraising and event planning for maybe a local nonprofit, or if they'd like to work as a strategist in the social media and digital marketing field. So lots of opportunities, lots of exciting pathways. Some students take that and become business owners here in our own community, and it's always amazing to see.